That's awesome. That's great. Okay, now I love it how he's trying to talk. He thinks he's being recorded, but the thing is, like, the mic is on me, it's not on him, so you can't hear a third word he says. The only downside to this lens is it's 50 millimeter. I have to go way back to for you to see me, but at least you can see me, unlike the other lens. I've already finished my first pina colada. I'm gonna get another one. All right, so the farewell dinner is a sit-down dinner instead of a buffet. So they're serving us. So after the salad, look what the main course is: surf and turf. For those who don't know what it is, a surf and turf is a steak and shrimp, basically. Steak and lobster, steak and shrimp. So in this case, it's a steak and looks like a small lobster, and potatoes and some salad. So looking good. So you like the surf and turf? That's good. All right, that's good. So she's gonna try the surf and turf and tell me how many cojones is worth.
I think I'm having an orgasm with the beef.
It's pretty good. Yeah, he likes it. Everyone likes it. Do you like it? It's good? All right, there you go.
Some say it's just a part of it, to fulfill the balloon. But won't you feel the same? Be someone, some freedom, it's all I have. Damn, shout song.
What was that?
Thank you for coming to help us.
All right, no problem. No problem. She's dancing with me now. I was wrong, trying to apologize for my mistakes. I was wrong, you know. I hope he buys you flowers, maybe you're showing. I should have done when I was running.
sunset, Rica's in this